Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to turn in a simple food photo into a professional looking product shot using Gemini AI brand new Nano Banana tool. It's super quick, super easy, and perfect for food creators or small businesses. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Gemini on your browser and then just log in with your Google account. And once you're inside, just tap on create image. This one. This feature is powered by Nano Banana, Google newest instant image editing tools. It lets you upgrade your photo instantly with just a prompt. Next, just upload your product photo. Just tap on plus button and then upload files like this. And in this tutorial, I'm using a photo of dim sum like this. And don't worry if your picture looks simple or plain. Gemini will help transform it into something that looks studio shots. Now the fun part is writing the prompt to describe the photo shots that you want. For example, I will type like this. For example like this. You can just copy this prompt or make your own versions with different lighting, colors, or even backgrounds. Just be as descriptive as possible and then just tap on generate. And okay like this. In just a few seconds, the transformation is done, and now your plain product photo looks like a professional food ad. Fresh, elegant, and super appetizing. And just look at the difference. It really looks like it was shot in studio with professional lighting, and the best part, it only took a few seconds using Nano Banana in Gemini. So if you are into a food content, online shops, or just want to level up your product photos, this tool is a game changer. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!